Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have the new Lytmi CozyFit Open Ear wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard factory reset back to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. Number one is troubleshooting if they're not pairing, or if they're stuck paired to the wrong device and you can't get them unpaired, or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear so the earbuds are not synced to one another. A factory reset will fix a lot of these issues and it's very easy to do. The second reason you might want to do this is just if you're setting them up as a new set of earbuds, you want to get them wiped off of everything. So what we're going to do is first we're just going to go ahead and delete them off of whatever devices we've had them paired with in the past. Then we're going to put them in the case as shown here and come in and touch the touch buttons on the back of both earbuds simultaneously for 8 seconds and just wait for the indicator lights on the earbuds to blink green 3 times, and after they blink green 3 times that will mean they have been reset. You can just close the case, open the case, and they'll turn back on and go back into pairing mode, and you can go ahead and set them up as a brand new set of earbuds. So let me know if this worked for you. If it did, if you could please leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching.